she don't care if she gets wet. Look at this, 87 years old, out in a monsoon. Come on, here we go, here we go.
You won't be there for 20 minutes because I've been looking out and she hasn't been camping.
I didn't think you'd come out till it eased off a bit. It's got double heat.
Well, you can't think. I thought you was waiting for me.
Well, I am waiting for you. Can't get the door shut, she'll get wet. Just shove it on the floor.
Oh, I've been looking out the door. She hasn't been out. She come in. Oh. Wait through.
Look at that, you've wet all the inside of my car. It's dreadful.
I've been here about 20 minutes and I said I'll put my shoes on and come then. Why didn't you say wait there?
Well, it got heavier.
The cat's gone
Wake
under
you
the
up
chair.
anyway.
Yeah, the cat's gone under the chair. She's frightened now. Oh.
Hey, alright, you got a bit damp here.
Of course I have. Brain is wet, fool.
Jolly good.
Yeah.
Can you just nip back in and get me a glass of water, please?
I don't know whether I locked the door.
Go and have a look then. Are you bothered?
No.